Subscribe to my channel.
Take sticks. Mark at 9 and 18 centimeters. Make sure to like the video. I am using this for cutting. You can also use sharp blade. Remove the sharp end. Sharpness is of no use in this sweet video. Cute little sticks. I am using black ink. You can also use black paint. Dip, dip, dip. Black is my favorite color. Still wet. Take 3 small sticks. Make a triangle. Here is glue. Make 20 triangles. Joining the triangles. Firstly, take only 5. Watch this part carefully. Wait for drying. Take 5 another triangles. Make the same. Here's remaining triangles. Let's join them. Carefully attach all parts. Look at this. Ready to hang. Less expensive, more charming. Hope you enjoy my video. Watch my other videos.